and welcome to the review of the Logitech G35. It has these three buttons here, G1, G2, and G3, which are customizable and can do all kinds of things. It has Dolby certified. It has 7.1 surround sound, and of course a mic. All headsets should have that. It is adjustable, so you can change this. If you do this with the microphone, it automatically turns off. You can also do it with this button here. This is to change the volume of the headset itself. These things are changeable with these things that come with it. You plug it in your PC with USB, but it does work with your PS3 or Xbox. I tried it. The microphone actually does work, but the sound doesn't, so it's pretty much worthless to use it as that. It is very strong, as you can see. I'm very sure that I can drop it and nothing will happen to it. It has a matte finish to it. This thing is adjustable, so it's a little bit hard to do it, to be honest. But you know, that's not that big of a problem. It's very comfortable because you can change this, and because this is very soft, your full ear actually fits in it. So yeah, at the end of the video is a actual test of this microphone, so you can actually hear how it sounds, because that's probably something you want to know if you are watching this. It costed me 99 euros. So it's fairly expensive, but it gives good sound, very good sound actually, very good bass and stuff, without losing the highs, like real 7.1 should sound. But the echo is sometimes a little bit too much, and it is fairly silent. So if you want to go really loud, this is not really a headset for you. The sound doesn't go really high, but it goes more than high enough. But it's not really that loud. It's like 99 decibels or something that it gives. So it's not that great, but oh well. It's a very good headset overall, and this is my review. So goodbye, guys.
Okay, so this is the microphone test what I was talking about, and I hope you like how it sounds. It is not changed in any way. So this is exactly how it sounds. And yeah. Tra la 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 la. Do 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 do. La 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 la. Okay, that was this.